Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Shark HE400 filter is probably one of the most important components of your air purifier, responsible for trapping dust, allergens, and other airborne particles. Over time, these filters get clogged, reducing the efficiency of your air purifier and potentially releasing trapped pollutants back into your home. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about the Shark HE400 filter replacement process, ensuring your air stays clean and fresh. Number 5. HE401 Replacement Filter for Shark Air Purifier 4, 2-pack. This filter is designed for Shark Air Purifier 4, including models HE401, HE402, and HE405. It replaces part number HE4FKBAS. It's a perfect fit for your air purifier. The filter uses a true Hepa system with an activated carbon filter. It captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. This helps remove pet hair, dander, and odors, keeping your home fresh. You'll receive a pack of 2 HE401 replacement filters. For the best performance, it's recommended to replace the filter every 3 to 6 months. This ensures your air purifier works efficiently. The filter is easy to install, and no tools are needed. If you have any questions about the installation process, feel free to contact us. We are here to help. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you have any issues, please reach out to us. We are committed to providing you with a satisfactory solution and ensuring your complete satisfaction. What we like. This filter comes in a convenient 2-pack, ensuring you have a spare ready to go. It features a H13 True Hepa filter, capturing tiny particles for cleaner air. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution with easy replacement, you should consider this one. What people say. It fits perfectly and seems pretty well made. This replacement filter fits perfectly and seems to work just as well as the brand name version that came with my Hepa air purifier. It helps with dust, pollen, smoke, and other indoor allergens I deal with. They fit perfectly and seem to be of very good quality, and the price was very good compared with OEM replacement. We run our purifier 24/7, and we just replaced the first one from the pack, so that speaks to the quality and efficiency of these filters. They work as expected and intended, and helps considerably with the air quality in our house. Number 4. HE401 Replacement Filter for Shark Air Purifier 4. This filter is compatible with Shark Air Purifier 4, including models HE401, HE402, and HE405. It replaces part number HE4FKBAS. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance for your air purifier. The filter features a true Hepa system with a high-efficiency activated carbon filter. It's an H13 grade true Hepa filter, designed to capture 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. This helps remove pet hair, dander, and odors. The package includes one HE401 replacement filter for Shark Air Purifier 4. For best results, replace the filter every 3 to 6 months. This will help maintain the air purifier's efficiency. Installation is simple and requires no tools. If you have any questions about the installation process, please feel free to contact us. We are here to assist you. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you have any issues, please contact us. We will do our best to provide a satisfactory solution. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This filter offers the same great filtration as the previous one, but with a single filter. It also features an activated carbon filter to help with odors. If you have a smaller space or prefer to replace filters less frequently, it's a great choice. What people say. The filters fit perfectly and were easy to install. The filter is a perfect fit and works great. The filters are exactly what I needed and work perfectly. Number 3. Shark HE4FKPT Anti-Allergen Hepa Filter. This is the Shark Anti-Allergen Hepa Multi-Filter. It captures 99.97% of dust, dander, allergens, and smoke. This filter helps keep your air clean. The filter meets Hepa filtration standards, removing particles down to 0.3 microns. This ensures the air you breathe is as clean as possible. It also features an advanced odor guard. This helps protect against household odors from cooking and cleaning products. This filter is compatible with Shark Air Purifier 4 fan models, including HE401, HE400, HE402, and HE405. Make sure it fits your model. For optimal performance, replace the filter every 6 to 12 months. This will ensure the air purifier continues to work effectively. What we like. This filter is designed with an anti-allergen Hepa filter, perfect for those sensitive to allergens. It also boasts heightened odor protection to keep your home smelling fresh. If you are an allergy sufferer or have pets, this is the one for you. What people say. It eliminates any smell or odor quickly. It is indeed effective in filtering air pollutants in the room. This is a filter that gets rid of wildfire smoke in the house along with most every other odor, providing a fresh air environment with my Shark air purifier. Number 2. HE401 Filter for Shark Air Purifier 4. This filter is specifically designed for Shark Air Purifier 4 models, including HE400 series. It replaces part numbers HE4 FKBAS and others. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance for your air purifier. The HE401 filter uses a 3-stage filtration system, including a Hepa filter, pre-filter, and activated carbon filter. This combination captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, providing you with cleaner air. The Hepa filter features finely woven organic fibers to capture tiny particles. It's upgraded with 2x activated carbon particles to effectively absorb odors from pets and fumes. Enjoy improved air quality and energy efficiency. When the filter life indicator flashes, it's time to replace the filter. Installation is tool-free and takes just minutes. Remember to reset the system after replacing the filter for optimal performance. We offer a 90-day return and exchange policy. If you have any quality issues during the warranty period, please contact customer service. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This filter uses a 3-stage filtration system for superior air purification. It also includes 2x activated carbon for enhanced odor absorption. If you live in an area with high pollution or strong odors, this filter will be a great choice. What people say. Direct replacement that works extremely well. No issues at all with the Ninja purifier. It fit perfectly, and it works like a charm. Works exactly as it should for the unit it is intended for. Quality materials. Number 1. Ecleanfy HE401 Filter for Shark Air Purifier 4. This Ecleanfy HE401 filter is fully compatible with Shark Air Purifier 4 fan models. It replaces part numbers HE4 FKBAS, HE4 FKPD, HE4 FKPEM, and HE4 FKPRO filters, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. The filter utilizes a 3-in-1 filtration system, including a nylon preliminary filter, an H13 grade filter, and an activated carbon filter. This combination effectively captures 99.97% of airborne particles, improving the air quality in your home. Made with high-quality non-woven fabric, an H13 filter, and activated carbon, this filter uses advanced low-energy consumption technology. The design ensures lower wind resistance, higher efficiency, and less pressure, extending its lifespan. Enjoy fresh air year-round with this filter. It effectively tackles pet dander, hair, and unpleasant odors. The H13 filter works with the pre-filter and activated carbon to provide a comprehensive air purification solution. The package includes one HE400 filter, measuring 15 by 17 by 1.5 inches. It contains all the necessary components for standard installation. For optimal performance, it is recommended to replace the filter every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage. What we like. This filter uses a 3-in-1 filtration system for comprehensive air cleaning. It's designed for high performance and energy saving. If you are looking for a filter that is efficient and effective, this is the one for you. What people say. The filters fit perfectly and were easy to install. The filters are a perfect fit for my Shark vacuum. These filters are exactly what I needed and work great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.